Good morning and welcome to this week's Vandal vlog video. I can tell you something, I might be really bad at scrapping and I'm no mechanic, but you damn well better believe I could make a glazer. Check it out. Do you like my smoke windows? Right, all jokes aside, let's go and get this fixed because it's annoying. That way. I had to make the ambiguous stop, didn't I? To Greg's. Oh, look at that, look. We had our first frost this morning. It's cold. Right. It's 8 o'clock, I've got an appointment at 8:30. I'm gonna drink my coffee. Go and get this window fixed. Do you like my tint? Glass? I see glass. £87 and it only took him 20 minutes. I gave him a tip, I'll give him $100. I took some photos of the business van. I'll show you it momentarily. But the window is done. Right, let's go scrapping. And we're back briefly. So just up here is where I picked up a boiler the other day. He said he had a few more bits to take out and I just said leave them out for me and I'll grab them. I just drove past, I saw a few little bits and pieces. Where was it? I'm sure it was here somewhere. Is it here? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? It's not this one. It's not even this road, is it? Is it? Is it this one? This one. This is the one right here. Oh yeah. A few bits of my tablet there. Let's get you around there. Boom. Get gloved up. Undo my doors because I always forget. Oh. Left me some nice copper and brass. Yes. Fair play to the boiler man. Check them bits out. Some brassy bits, coppery bits. It's good times. See what else we can find. Yeah. There was some nice little bits of brass and copper there. Good times. Check out my window. Oh, they're so underrated, windows. The only problem is though, my alarm went off. Oh yeah, that's the only problem. It's just there, the plastic. I need to do something in there. The guy at the shop said try and get something in there and just wedge it back a little touch. But we got glass, that's the main thing. £87 that cost. Bought a bargain. You'll never guess how much auto windscreen repair or whatever it was wanted. Have a guess. Any guesses? £1,050 they wanted. What a joke. You just saw me pick this up. What you didn't see is I picked this up yesterday. I got a call from someone and I went and grabbed it. I got a dishwasher and a little tumble dryer. So we're going to go home, scrap them out. Got another dishwasher in here. I need to get the stainless off, and I think I might go and get weighed and paid just to get my van emptied because I'm going to be quite busy this week, I think, with roofs and stuff. So yeah, and I'll need to use the lavatory. So let's go and do that. Show me how into it is. Don't forget Dolly. Get the cord. Get the cord. It's a heavy dishwasher. Oh, van empty. Look weird. Oh yeah. Right, you might want to look away. Some appliance violence. So we like it. Just like that. Get out. Close your eyes. Good times. Done. Let's not for the dolly, shall we? Sit. 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 Someone's waiting to get in. And this is what we got left. An absolute mess of boilers and motors and bits of aluminium radiators and wipes and all sorts of stuff. Bit of a mess in here. We've got more motors up there that I just smashed out of the washing machine. My next job is to fix that light right there. What else do I need to do in it? Oh, the rear light clusters. I need to change them. But I've been busy. Look, we got a mirror. We got a window. Shame about that though, but I did manage to bend it out a bit, so now it doesn't rub. And inside, we've got the steering wheel cover on, and I've fixed that as well. We got a new one of those, and brand new wiper blades. So I'll check these bad boys out. Oh, that is smooth. A lot brand new. Hold on, one more. There you go. Good times. Right, we got weighed and paid, but what did it weigh? What did it pay? So I just went in with light on. There was a little bit of shearing in there, but I just really couldn't be bothered. It was 360 kilos at £150 a tonne. That's 15 pence a kilo. Will give us a final sum of £54, which will help go towards paying for stuff, because I've just spent 60 quid in Halfords. So I've topped up the oil. She only needed about half a pint of oil. That's the first time I've topped her up since I've owned her. She had about a pint and a half of coolant, and what else is it? And about 1 million gallons so far of windscreen wash. So I had to buy some more of that. I've also got hubcaps to go on, but I'm not putting them on yet. And when they do go on, I've bought them to keep them on. I bought a head torch because Founder One was moaning that my videos are too dark. Oh, I've got Greg's. I've got some fuses, so I've got new rear lights to go in the back, and I need one of them. What else have I got? Oh, and I've got an LED light somewhere. Where is it? So my third brake light's been out since I've had it, so I've got an LED upgrade, but you plug it in, and you could do with a bit of tape around it just to hold that in place, so I've got that. That's good. What else? Next on the agenda though is tyres, because I need some tyres really bad. I've just put air in this one down here, so I'm having to put air in that one once a week, and the one at the back, at the passenger side, that's about every couple of weeks I have to put some air in that one, and the tyres are pretty bad. Well, they're not bad, they're alright, they get you through the summer, but we're going into winter, so that's next on the agenda. And then we're going to fix the bearing down here. So the kit's only £100 for the bearing kit, and the whole hub and that basically is totally the whole rebuild. So we go for that, but first I want to get the tyres done, so then I can take a look at the brakes, and then if I need to get the brakes done, I can get the wheel, the hubs and everything else and the brakes all done at the same time. That's about 250 quid's worth of parts. It's probably going to cost me about 500 quid, but I think it'll be worth it. And we'll have to deal with this some other time. Eventually I want to get the rust sorted out. She's got some bits of rust coming through on the wheel arches and at the top at the front there, where she's hitting branches and things like that. So yep, we're going to keep going. We're going to put some money into her because she's worth it. And yeah, that's it for now. Yeah, I'll catch up with you guys either in the morning when I'm going scrapping or going roofing. I'm not sure what I'm doing. No idea. Well, you'll find out, won't you? Let's go. Good morning. Right, I don't know how much you guys can see. I'm having to crouch down quite a lot to get this shot, and it's uncomfortable. But we're on head cam momentarily. I thought I'd give it another go just while it's dark. I've got a head torch on. Let's go and see what we can't find out there in the urban jungle. So we got our first scoops. Good times. Oh, yeah. A couple of scrapped out ovens and such. That's key. Apparently it's illegal to leave your key in the car. Oh well. Such is life. Lights, camera, action. Yes. Let's get the hammer up. A bunch of stuff for the vandal. Bloody drip cards. That one looks heavy. That one looks heavy. Stay. It won't stay. Oh. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Oh. I scrapped out the boilers except for one, as you can see. No point even checking if it's brass. It's good times. Oh. Fix my light. Also fix my third brake light. And my door doesn't rub. Oh. Right, let's go. Quick walk over there, quick, just grab my snips. Where's my snips? Hey? Oh. Got my keys. Just in case anyone wants to tell me it's illegal not to put your keys in your van. It's an appliance of some sort, but what sort? Oh, it's not. It's a bloody bed. Oh, sofa. Damn it. Oh. The bastards. Oh. It's just fridges everywhere. That's all there is. It's just fridges. What up, big mama? I fixed her lights. She's doing great. It's a shame she got dented. Morning, I'm just walking around talking to myself. Right, see what else we can find. Spot check here quick. Can't see much from the road. Nothing. It's a rare sight to see one of them still in there. A few scrappy bits here. If that kids thing's up for scrap or not, I don't really want to take it. Just in case it's not. A few bits here. Sure, saw a PC around the corner. Oh, you're back on chest, by the way. In case you didn't know. I'm gonna leave that for some little kid. Some little kid who makes some use out of that. I'm sure I saw a PC. I did saw a PC. Feet are going to get wet. Oh no. Oh. Man, it's complete. It's Adele. Set fire to the rain with Adele. Stay. Also a few little bits here. Oh yeah. A few little bits of it. Shut up, man. Manhole. Pluck and chuck. Oh, I picked up a radio, yeah? That was a pluck and chuck thing. I had to stop in the road to grab it, so I didn't quite film it, but it's just a radiator, just the same as any other. Oh. Shut up, Van. I'm sorry, big man. I shouldn't speak to you like that. It's just a joke. Right, hasn't been great at the moment. Where am I? 2/3 of the way through, so let's hope we can find some more. If not, I've still got a few more days to the end of the week, so if we can get another big load in by the end of the week, that'd be great. Let's go and see what we can find. Looks like we've got ourselves a little scrappy bit here. I'll just grab it momentarily. The lights are still going off. Oh, well, it's got glass on it. be lucky if it makes it 5 seconds. Sweet little radiator here. Let's wait for this beamer to go. In your own time, buddy. Take a little radiator. Hell yeah, that's a lovely bit of short steel there. Don't mind if I do. Nice clean steel. Any brass on it? It's not stainless, is it? There's no way that's stainless. Nope. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, foxes and vixens, that is it for this one, I'm afraid. Yeah, I mean, it's Thursday now, it's Thursday morning. I've got 10 minutes, I must have another 10 minutes here. I'll upload it anyway, see what happens, stick a video on for you guys, and probably come back on Sunday. But we've got a new steering wheel cover type action, new knob gator type action, new mirror type action, new wiper type action, and window action. The only thing that's pissing me off is that I was saying to Founder One just the other day, we've been down some tight alleyways, we've had bins literally scraping off the side of it, we've been down some janky roads, and all it took was a bit of wind to put some damage on my van. She's got no damage on her whatsoever. Couple of dirt marks. Anyway, there's the boilers I scrapped out yesterday. Aluminium rads to cut the ends off it. This one here is stainless, but I've cut it, I've tried to smash it and everything, I cannot get it off, so that'll go as a bit of refine. My bucket ain't doing too bad. On camera it looks like it's pretty much empty, but if you look, it's about up to there, about up to that line. It's good times. And in the back I've still got a boiler to sort out. You saw me pick that up, you didn't see me pick up the radiator. So that radiator was outside a gas man's house. I'm pretty sure the last time I was there I picked up a radiator. I heard a woman's voice say he's filming. So I don't know if they got a bit sketchy about it or something, but there hasn't been much out in the last couple of weeks since then. But that was there today, so I didn't film it. I don't you know, I don't upset anyone or intervene in people's privacy and all that jazz. And here we got a manhole cover. I don't know what the rules and regulations are about them, so I will have to ask the scrapyard. We got a PC! PC! Any goodies in there? How do I get this off? Can I get it off? Is it that? Hold on, I'll try and open it. Can't get it open for some reason. I'll have to smash it up, but this is not the place to do it. There's a animal rescue place that's there, Second Chance Animal Rescue. We've also got a little radiator. We got this, it's got a bit of a worm on it, and there's loads of small stuff in there. That coffee machine was with the radiator. We've got that jazz over there, another scrapped out dishwasher by the looks of it, and a heater, and the glass hasn't broken yet. Wow, that's a miracle. Oh, check these out, new lights, but for some reason it's still not working. I've replaced the fuse that I thought was blown, but that's going to require some more investigation. And do you remember, I don't know if you've seen in my videos, but when my headlights were on, the brake light was staying on because of a bit of rust in the cluster behind. Both of them have been changed behind there, and that hasn't worked since I got it, and now it's got an LED upgrade in there. So yeah, she's had a bit of work done on her, bless her. She's looking good. It's just a shame about that dent. We'll get that fixed. Next up is the tyres. So I want to get the tyres done, get it ready for winter, and then sort out the hubs, and then sort out the bodywork. So she's got a bit of rust up here. You can see just where she hits trees and stuff. She's got the damage. She's got a few spots here and just along the edge here. It's not a lot for a Transit. For a 2008 Transit, on this wheel arch, there's nothing. She's just got a couple of little spots just there, and a couple of little spots just there, and that's it. That's all she needs. It's been topped up, and eventually I want to get this bumper replaced, get a nice new bumper on there, and a set of headlights because they're getting a bit cloudy. Pretty cheap though, the parts are cheap. So yeah. Anyway, shout out to Southampton Windscreens for fixing my window. That was only, I think it was either 78 or 87 pounds, can't remember. I chucked 100 quid. But if you've got a Mark 7 or Mark 6 Transit and you need a windscreen, they're only charging £130 fitted. 130 quid for a windscreen. That's good times. Right, oh, in here. It's just me, a bag of Clean Alley cast and such, and other detritus. Right, that's it for this one, guys. Until the next one, be cool, be kind, or try and be, and I'll see you next time. And thanks very much. I love yous. Oh, and apologies for the F-bombs in the other video. It was, I didn't hear it in my editing suite over the wind. I really need to get some headphones. So yeah, I'll apologise for that. And we won't do it again. But then sometimes, you know, a little swear word's called for, you know. Like when your door flies open and your window smashes. I mean, there's only one word to say, and that begins with S. Thought I'd keep that in there, you know, just to highlight the moment. Anyway, let's stop yapping. Let's get scrapping. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Love.